YouTube script, Agentic AI, the secret Wall Street doesn't want you to have. The big hedge funds have used autonomous agents for years, but the gatekeepers kept this technology locked behind a paywall. Until now. Today, the game has changed. Thanks to new open-source frameworks, you can now run a professional-grade financial analyst, one that never sleeps and never gets emotional, right on your own laptop for $0. If you aren't building an AI agent today, you're basically donating your money to the banks. To understand how we can beat the market, we first need to understand the game we're playing. For decades, Wall Street's edge hasn't just been about having the smartest analysts. It's been about two core pillars: speed and the ability to process vast amounts of unstructured data. Speed is the obvious one. We're talking about high-frequency trading firms spending billions to lay their own fiber optic cables, shaving milliseconds off transaction times to get their orders in before anyone else. But the second pillar, unstructured data, is where the real, hidden alpha is generated. This isn't the clean, organized data you see on a stock ticker or a quarterly earnings report. This is the messy, chaotic, and incredibly valuable information of the real world. It's the sentiment in millions of tweets, the tone of a CEO's voice in an earnings call, satellite photos of parking lots, and even the exhaust plumes from factory smokestacks. This creates a massive information asymmetry. While most retail traders are stuck in a reactive loop, looking at basic candlestick charts and lagging indicators like moving averages, the pros are playing a completely different game. They're not just looking at the price, they're looking at the real-world events that the price. They're using sophisticated agentic workflows to scan satellite imagery of oil tankers to predict crude inventory levels before the official numbers are released. They analyze private shipping manifests to see how many iPhones are moving from factories to distribution centers, giving them a real-time proxy for sales figures. This is proactive, predictive analysis. They know what's going to happen because they are watching it happen, while everyone else is waiting for the news report. Until now, this capability was locked away behind the billion-dollar walls of hedge funds and investment banks, but that is changing. I'm going to show you how to replicate this exact strategy using a groundbreaking new open standard called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Think of MCP as a universal translator and a secure key, all in one. Traditionally, if you wanted your AI to access specialized data, you had to go through expensive, slow data vendors who act as middlemen. They package the data, mark it up, and introduce latency. MCP smashes that model. It's a brand new standard that allows your AI agent to connect directly, securely, and instantly to live, raw financial data sources without a middleman. It creates a verified, trusted pathway straight from the source to your agent. This is the key to leveling the playing field. By using MCP, your agent can ingest a news headline, cross-reference it with live shipping data, and execute a trade in the blink of an eye. It's the exact same logic the high-frequency firms use to front-run the news. They aren't just faster. They have a richer, more immediate context for their decisions. With MCP, you can build that same contextual advantage for yourself, turning your desktop setup into an institutional-grade intelligence hub. Alright, let's pull back the curtain and dive into the engine room. To build this, we aren't using a simple single-line prompt sent to a generic AI. That's like using a rowboat in a hurricane. Instead, we are building a fully autonomous, recursive research agent. Think of it less as a single tool and more as a sophisticated digital organism designed for one purpose: navigating the chaotic seas of financial data to find alpha. This architecture is built on a principle of structured autonomy, where different specialized AI agents collaborate under the supervision of a master control program, or MCP. This MCP is the brain of the operation. It doesn't do the research itself. It delegates tasks, manages data flow, and ensures every step of the process is executed flawlessly. It's the conductor of our AI orchestra, and right now, we're going to break down each section, piece by piece. Everything starts with information. The agent needs to perceive the world in real time, and for that, its eyes and ears are the internet. Step 1 is data ingestion. We use Serper.dev for its incredibly fast, real-time web scraping capabilities. Unlike traditional search APIs that can be slow or deliver stale results, Serper gives us a direct, low-latency pipeline to Google's search index. This allows the agent to read the internet as it changes, sifting through breaking news, earnings reports, SEC filings, and even shifts in market sentiment on social platforms, all within seconds of publication. The raw and structured data from the web is our foundational layer. It's messy, it's noisy, but it's where opportunity hides. Once we have this fire hose of data, the master control program doesn't just dump it into a single model. That would be inefficient. Instead, it routes the data into a multi-agent orchestrator. For this, we use a framework like CrewAI. This is where the real cognitive work begins. Inside this system, I've programmed a team of specialist agents, each with a unique personality and a single, critical job. First is its goal is to take the raw data, identify patterns, and formulate a potential trade thesis. It looks for bullish signals, positive momentum, and fundamental catalysts. It's the optimist, the opportunity seeker, but unchecked optimism is dangerous. So next, the thesis is passed to this agent is a born pessimist. Its only job is to find reasons to take the trade. It actively searches for bearish signals, hidden risks, competitive threats, and negative sentiment that the research agent might have overlooked. It's programmed to be skeptical, to poke holes in the argument, and to stress test the thesis from every conceivable angle. This adversarial dynamic is the core of our risk management. Only if a thesis survives the contrarian's rigorous scrutiny does it move forward. The MCP evaluates the arguments from both agents. If the potential reward, as identified by the researcher, decisively outweighs the risks flagged by the contrarian, the system generates a go signal. This signal is then handed to the final agent in the chain. This agent is purely logistical. It doesn't second-guess the decision. Its sole function is to translate the trade thesis into a precise machine-readable order. It calculates the exact position size based on our predefined risk parameters and portfolio allocation rules. Then, it securely connects to our brokerage using the Alpaca API and executes the trade. By the time this execute signal is sent, the initial idea has been born, debated, and validated by 3 different AI minds: the optimistic researcher, the skeptical contrarian, and the logical MCP. This entire process, from spotting a news article to executing a trade, can happen in under a minute. It's a closed-loop system of checks and balances, operating at a speed and scale that's simply impossible for a human trader to replicate manually. This isn't just automation, it's cognitive augmentation. We've built a system that mimics the workflow of a high-performing institutional trading desk, complete with dedicated roles for research, risk analysis, and execution. This is institutional-grade risk management, democratized for anyone with a laptop and an internet connection. What was the exclusive domain of billion-dollar hedge funds just 12 months ago is now accessible to you. Let's talk about the elephant in the room: the myths versus the reality of building a system like this. The biggest perception, the one that stops most people before they even start, is the idea that you need a PhD in quantitative finance or a data science degree from an Ivy League school. They want you to believe this is a walled garden, accessible only to an elite few who can write complex stochastic calculus models in their sleep. That you need to be a Wall Street quant with a 7-figure education just to get a seat at the table. That is the lie they want you to believe. The reality? The barrier to entry has been completely obliterated. With high-level frameworks like CrewAI and LangChain, the heavy lifting is done for you. You don't need to invent the algorithms, you just need to be the architect who intelligently connects them. If you have a foundational understanding of Python and a logical mind, you already possess the core skills required. You're not building the engine from scratch, you're the driver, telling the car where to go. The second myth is about hardware. People imagine you need a server farm in your basement, a liquid-cooled supercomputer that costs more than a house, just to run these models. The truth is, we're entering a golden age of hardware efficiency. A modern consumer-grade GPU, something you'd find in a standard gaming PC, has more than enough power to run the local large language models we use in this system. We're not training these massive models from the ground up. We're using fine-tuned, optimized versions that are designed to run efficiently on the hardware you might already own. Your gaming rig can become your personal trading powerhouse. And that brings us to the third myth, that this is an expensive, insecure endeavor that exposes your strategies to the world. This couldn't be further from the truth. By using Python-based agents and local LLMs, you are cutting out the middleman. You are severing the dependency on costly, recurring API subscriptions that eat into your profits. More importantly, you are taking back control of your privacy. When your models and your data live on your machine, they are yours alone. There's no censorship, no third-party logging your every query, no risk of a service provider using your proprietary strategies against you. You are building a private, sovereign hedge fund that lives inside your terminal, shielded from prying eyes. I'm pulling back the curtain on this full workflow right now because this unique combination of accessibility, power, and privacy represents a historic opportunity. But the window to gain this unfair advantage is closing fast. As these tools and techniques go mainstream, the edge they provide will diminish. The time to act, to build, and to deploy is now. The era of manual day trading is over. You can either be the one building the agents or the one being traded against by them. I've put the full technical roadmap and the Wall Street agent prompts in the description below. If you're ready to stop being the liquidity for the big banks, hit the like button and comment "agent" below, and I'll send you the link to my open source repository.